If you're not turning, lock the video.
Start recording emergency video.
That dude's going so fast.
Look at me. I'm flying. I'm fucking flying.
Save over $5,000 on interest in the first year alone that you can spend on whatever you like. I could finally get a
What the headline says?
Or maybe not. Search Westpac home loan packages today.
dear.
Credit criteria, T's and C's, fees, charge.
Hey Siri. Oh, hello. Volume down.
Oh! We got that on dash cam.
Got to pull up and make sure they're alright.
Yes, the airbags is deployed. That's a write-off.
Surely not. He couldn't hope to get away with it.
Chase. That was the most silliest move.
Wow.
Oh, don't worry about that left turn angle sign.
Hold out your sword. Aruta did so, hilt first. Macross released Pug's hand and carefully placed the talisman below the hilt. So the tiny hammer lay next to the fork below the hilt. So the tiny hammer lay next to the fork of the blade. He then gently
Double yellow lines. Idiot. Says don't walk. You want to kill yourselves?
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Wow.
What an asshole!
You're a first class.
I didn't see the other heats, but like Boog and this other girl you can see in the video, they were racing along.
Yeah.
Fuck me.
It must be out for. You right?
Yeah. Fucking knobheads.
Based on the soundtrack, so you listen to the story as transmitted.
Manual recording on.
So there are now so many different ways that you can access a story. So I guess
You gotta be shitting me!
I'm gonna rip your balls off!
Instant prizes and 4 massive prizes up for grabs. Play today at thebottle-show.com.au. T's and C's apply. And September 15, over 18s only. Enjoy responsibly.
What if we gave you
Wait. The fuck?
Manual recording will now start.
Still go.
Listen to the soundtrack, your brain, I am certain, would do stuff to create more and different pictures in your head. And I think that experience would be...
What's my age?
George, he's staring at her.
Manual recording on.
A six-pack of beer, a pack of cigarettes, and the Sandman is ready for a fight. Nathan Edwards here in Dayton, Ohio. We go.
What? It's the Ghostbusters car, but it's a Ford Focus.
Ugh, that's wrong.
Oh, I gotta send that to Scotty.
Yo, Scotty.
Well, there's something you don't see every day.